Hello, here is a kitchen advisor with the Chinese fried rice recipe for Instant Pot. That's what we are going to do. Chop one onion, cut one carrot, cut one bell pepper, also cut 3 chicken breasts into strips, approximately 1 inch wide. Select Sauté program, adjust time to 20 minutes manually. Set the mode indicator to more manually. Add sunflower oil, add chicken, and stir well. Add minced garlic, add black pepper and salt to taste, stir well again. Remove the meat from the inner pot and set it aside. Select Sauté program, adjust time to 10 minutes and set the mode indicator to normal manually. Add sunflower oil, add carrot and onion, stir well. Add 2 eggs, scramble them, and then mix them with the fried vegetables. Remove the vegetables from the inner pot and set them aside. Add 2 cups of rinsed rice, 1½ cups of water and 1 teaspoon of salt. Close the lid, turn the steam release handle to sealing position. Select rice program. When time is up, open the lid, add sunflower oil and 1 tablespoon of sesame oil. Select Sauté program, set up mode indicators to less and adjust time to 5 minutes. Add the meat and fried vegetables. Cut the green onion and add it to the inner pot. Add 3 tablespoons of dark soy sauce and 3 tablespoons of oyster sauce. Stir well, add sesame seeds and enjoy the Chinese fried rice.